Man, I really hate Doki Doki Literature Club, because from what I've heard from Biggie's World, he really likes Yuri so much. So much that he made a vlog series of her. But what should I do? I know, when Yuri is in bed tonight, I will blow an air horn at her.
A few moments later.
Look, Yuri is fast asleep. Now is my chance to blow the air horn on her. Here it comes.
Oh God, who the hell just woke me up?
Yuri, what is going on?
Someone just woke me up with an air horn.
Wait, Oogie Boogie, how did you? Wait a minute, Oogie Boogie, do not tell me that you blew an air horn at Yuri while she was sleeping. Tell me the truth right now.
Maybe. No.
Oogie Boogie, how dare you blow an air horn at Yuri? Now she might be permanently deaf because of you blowing that air horn directly at her ear. That's it, and calling Jack Skellington at you.
Oogie Boogie, how dare you blow an air horn at Yuri? She might as well have permanent ear infection from that stunt you did. That does it, you are grounded until the next defeat of my favorite villains video. Go to your room right now and think about what you did.
What?